story to tell. India Defense Minister Rajnath Singh announced that the aircraft carrier INS Vikrant will go to sea trials in July to strengthen countering China in the Indian Ocean. The ship will officially operate in the Indian Navy in the first half of 2022, according to the South China Morning Post. This is also the first aircraft carrier completely built by India itself. Experts say that the arrival of the new aircraft carrier helps India consolidate its power in the Indian Ocean, where countries are increasingly influenced by China. In May, Kenya inaugurated a seaport built by China on Lamu Island, on the Indian Ocean coast. Last week, Tanzanian President Samia Suluhu Hassan announced he was considering a plan to allow China to build a $10 billion seaport in Bagamoyo. INS Vikrant is India's second aircraft carrier and first domestically built aircraft carrier. The first, INS Vikramaditya, 35 years old now, served in the Russian Navy as Admiral Gorshkov. Meanwhile, China currently owns two aircraft carriers, including the Liaoning and the Shandong. China is building a third ship, expected to be launched this year. The Indian government calls the new aircraft carrier the most powerful asset at sea and an incomparable military asset. The Russian-made MiG-29K will be India's new carrier-based main fighter, along with the Ka-31 early warning helicopter, the US MH-60R Mantaron helicopter, and Indian light domestic helicopters. Ben Ho, a maritime analyst in Singapore, said the new aircraft carrier gives India more options to deal with China. India will be more confident with new options to deal with China's growing influence in the Indian Ocean. According to Yogesh Joshi, a researcher at the National University of Singapore, India's combat capabilities and naval capabilities have been significantly increased thanks to the new aircraft carrier. As India consolidates control of the Indian Ocean waters, it is possible to mobilize aircraft carriers to block sea routes to prevent cargo ships from reaching China in the event of a crisis. INS Vikrant was designed in 1999 and built in February 2009. The carrier was floated out of its dry dock on December 29, 2011, and was launched on August 12, 2013. INS Vikrant has an estimated displacement of 45,000 tons, a length of 262 meters, a beam of 62 meters, and a draft of 8.4 meters. When completed, INS Vikrant can carry a total of 36 to 40 aircraft of all types, including 26 fixed-wing aircraft including Miguel MiG-29K, 10 Kamov Ka-31, Sikorsky SH-60 Seahawk, Westland Sea King, and hard draft. My video about the Indian carrier INS Vikrant answered. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.